scared. Goosebumps.
I can't go any further. My lungs are gonna burst.
We have to hide the gold. We'll hang for sure if they find it on us. We worked hard to steal this. We'll come back for it later, you bumbling lump. Okay, let's hide it in there.
No, not in there.
That's the changing tree. Ah, that's superstitious nonsense. Let's go. Give it to me.
I'm afraid.
Be afraid of the hangman's rope, not some old legend. We're living in the 17th century. No! Let's run! You can't run with your neck in a noose! Let's go!
Did you hear that?
It's just the wind, Cooper.
Wind doesn't go scrunching through the leaves.
I know it's hard to get used to a new house. It's full of strange sounds.
Oh, sure, like barking dogs.
You're the only kid I know could scare himself on Halloween.
Now, hop into bed. You'll feel better after a good night's sleep, okay? Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
You're such a baby.
Sure, give me the mask.
Oh, what's the matter, Cooper? Afraid of little donkeys?
What were you doing under there anyway?
I was waiting, but it was worth every minute of it.
Get off me!
And when you started talking about the
Off
dogs,
me.
it was too perfect.
Off.
Give me this.
No, give me it.
Give it to me.
What is going on?
He started it.
I didn't do anything. You just started freaking out.
I don't care who started it. You can quit tormenting your brother right now, or you can start off at your new school grounded. It's your choice, Mickey.
Be quiet.
What are you doing? Did you lose something? Like your mind?
At least I've got one to lose.
Oh, good one. What are you doing?
I'm looking for paw prints. I'm going to prove those dogs were really out here.
Ooh, aren't you afraid you might really find them? Watch out for Lassie.
right, Cooper?
Who are you?
Margaret Ferguson, but people call me Fergie. You know, like the Duchess of York.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I live on the other side of the woods. Over there.
How'd you know my name?
I, saw you moving yesterday.
I didn't see you.
I was hiding in the woods. I heard your father call you Cooper.
How long have you lived here? What is it?
We gotta get out of here.
Fergie! Fergie!
Let me go!
Okay, but why'd you say that? That we have to get out of here?
The last family that lived in your house, well, one day they were just gone. All their clothes and stuff were still there. There was food in the fridge. There was even a pot of chili cooking on the stove. But no sign of the people or their dogs.
But
Go home and tell your parents to move back to wherever you came from. It's too dangerous here.
wait! Fergie! Stay, boy. Good dog. Dad, help! Help me, they're after me!
Cooper, calm down, calm down. Who's after you?
Two dogs, two big wild dogs. Honest, they're right behind me.
They just disappeared into thin air?
I don't get it. There's gotta be some trace, footprints, anything. They almost ripped my leg off, Dad.
Well, your leg looks pretty good to me.
We can't stay here. These woods are haunted.
Look, Cooper, I know when you're walking alone in the woods, it's easy to start seeing things, especially with your imagination.
Yeah, right. My imagination.
Come on. You'll feel better after you have some lunch.
Mickey. Hello? Mom? Dad? Oh man, Mickey's gonna get it. Easy, boy. Good doggies. Nice doggy. Easy. Mickey!
Oh, Mom and Dad are really gonna nail you for this one.
Did you see them?
I told you to lay off that late night grape juice.
It wasn't me, it was the dogs.
Hearing invisible dogs is one thing, But feeding them potato chips, you've lost it.
I didn't do it.
Oh yeah, and hey, next week when we start school, don't tell anyone you're my brother, okay? What a little jerk. Fergie. Good work. What? You were great.
I shouldn't have told him that story. He was really scared.
He's paranoid. He's always scared. I don't understand.
I'm sorry, Cooper.
For what? Liking my brother?
No. For listening to him. He's a jerk. He said you played practical jokes all the time. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you.
You didn't.
But you ran and...
It's nothing you said. It's what I saw with my own eyes.
What?
After you disappeared, these huge black dogs came and chased me home. They appeared at my house last night, out of nowhere. They escaped by jumping through the walls.
Jumping through the walls?
Yeah, right, jumping through the walls. Like ghosts.
Ghosts? Did you tell anybody?
No, what's the point? Nobody believes me anyway. They all think I'm nuts.
I believe you.
Thanks. I've got to prove these dogs really exist.
I'll go with you.
What?
We'll go back to the woods tonight. I'll help you find those dogs. Sorry I'm late. My parents. Sorry.
I think they want us to go with them.
No way!
I don't think we have any choice.
What did they want?
I don't know. Here, come on.
Must be something in there.
What is it?
What are you trying to show us? Fergie, are you all right?
Where are we?
Be still if you value your very lives.
Who are you?
What do you want?
Listen carefully and we shall tell you all you need to know. We are not dogs.
But...
Silence! Silence in the changing tree. 3 centuries ago, my companion and I were coming through these very woods. And then, for no reason, 2 vicious dogs flung themselves upon us and pushed us into this cursed place where we were changed.
Yeah, but we didn't do it. What do you want us for?
Ah, the cruel hand of fate.
Excuse me?
We are going to change places, and you will be like us dogs condemned to roam these woods forever! Cut it out! Your nose is all wet.
Yeah, well, your breath isn't exactly minty fresh.
I feel kind of strange.
Me too.
What's happening to us?
Well, dogs!
How did you say that? Your lips weren't moving.
I don't have any lips. You mean we can read each other's thoughts?
I think so. What am I thinking now?
Chicken salad, chicken pot pie, chicken wings.
Fergie, what are we gonna do? We're dogs!
I gotta flee.
Quit messing around. We've got to do something. Those creeps are probably passing themselves off as us right now. Come on, let's go.
Cooper, Fergie, what have you been doing? You're filthy. And use your forks.
Touch that, and you'll be drawing back a bloody stump.
Cooper, what is wrong with you?
Told me to use my fork.
Any more of that, young man, and you're grounded.
What are we gonna do? We're gonna be stuck as dogs forever.
Gotta come up with a plan. Think of something besides chicken salad.
Sorry, I'm hungry. I can't help it. It was so juicy.
And delicious.
And it smells so good. I can't take it anymore. Those dogs are wild. Get them out of here.
Shoot! Get out! Get the broom!
Come on, get out of here!
Go!
Go on!
Shoot!
Get out of here!
I can't believe it, Cooper. You're right. We gotta call the pound.
The pound?
Yeah, they'll catch these mutts and put them to sleep.
Sleep?
Yeah, you know.
Good plan.
Get back! Go on! Get out of here!
Get them!
Come on, Fergie. You know where we can hide. Here they come.
Where'd they go?
I'm not sure.
We have to find those dogs.
Take it easy. What was that?
Nothing. Just a chipmunk.
Wait a minute. Come here. Aren't these dog prints?
Let me see.
Be careful.
Why?
Look where we are. All right.
It worked.
Let's get out of here and never come near here again.
Right.
Are you all right, Mickey?
What's with your brother?
Who knows? He's always been a little weird, if you ask me. Come on, let's get out of here.
Hey, Cooper, you weasel. Don't leave me here. What am I gonna do? You gotta help me, Cooper. This isn't funny anymore.
Bye.